Hello friends, in this video we will be learning about the frame format used in 802.11b. Let us discuss about the general frame format. The frame format has the fields like frame control, duration or ID, address fields, sequence control, frame body and FCS. Except address 1, all other address fields are optional. Frame control to all the fields before the frame body are represented as MAC header. Frame control is divided into multiple sub-fields like protocol version, type, subtype, to DS, from DS, more fragment, retray, power management, more data, web, and order. Protocol version is always 0. Type 0 refers to management frame. Type 1 refers to control frame. Type 2 refers to data frame. To DS is 1 if the frame is sent to the DS. From DS is 1 if the frame is coming from DS. These are the cases. As IBSS is not connected to DS, the stations in IBSS always has to DS and from DS as 0. When AP transmits the frame to a station, then to DS is 0 and from DS is 1 as AP acts as DS. When the station transmits the frame to the AP, then to DS is 1 and from DS is 0 as the frame is going to the DS. When the transmission happens between two APs in an ESS, then both are DS. So, to DS and from DS both are 1. More fragment is 1 in the frame if there is a fragment remaining for the current packet. Retray bit is 1 if the frame is retransmitted frame. Power management bit is 1 by the station to inform the AP that the station is going to power save mode. It is set to 0 to indicate that it is awake now. More data is 1 by the AP to indicate the station that there is more frame buffered in the AP for that station. It is also set to 1 in the case where group address frame is transmitted and more group address frame is remaining to be transmitted. Web is 1 if web algorithm is used. Order is 1 to indicate that it is transferred using strict ordered service. That is, the frames transferred are in order. That's all for this lecture. We will continue the remaining parts about the frame format in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.